all, myself Mona, presenting myself on the topic cybercrime. Content: introduction, history, definition, general reasons, classification, types, safety tips, cyber law, legal acts. The internet in India is growing rapidly. It has given rise to many opportunities in every field we can think of, whether it be education, business, entertainment, or education. There are two sides to a coin. Internet has also its own disadvantages. The major disadvantage is cybercrime, that is illegal activities which are committed on the internet. History: the first recorded cybercrime took place in year 1820. In 1820, Joseph Mary Jacquard, a textile manufacturer, he produced this device produced the repetition of a series of steps in the weaving of special fabrics. This led to the fear amongst Jacquard employees that their traditional employment and livelihood were threatened. So this was the first recorded cybercrime. The first spam email took place in the year 1978 when it was sent over the ARPANET. The first virus was installed on the Apple computer in 1982. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime refers to any crime involving computer and the internet. It is defined as the crime in which computer is the object of the crime or it acts as a tool to commit an offense. Dr. Debarati Haldar and Dr. K. Jayakrishan define cybercrime as offenses that are committed against individuals or group of individuals with a criminal motive to intentionally harm the reputation of the victim, or it cause physical or mental harm to the victim directly or indirectly. General reasons for cybercrime: it can include criminal activity, it can include forging documents and messages, it can be financial gain, it can be general mischief, identity theft, protest and revenge. Next. Classification of cybercrime. Cybercrime is classified among four categories. The first one is the cybercrime against individual. The second is cybercrime against property. Third is cybercrime against organizations. And the fourth is cybercrime against society. First is cybercrime against individuals. It includes email spoofing, spamming, cyber defamation. What is email spoofing? A spoof email is one in which email header is forged so that mail appears that it has originated from one source, but actually it has originated from another source. It involves sending messages by